and it's been opened and not put back together again. I'm guessing that's going to be customs or someone saying it's worth nicking. So yeah, it's already been opened. It is a rechargeable shower. La la. Why is it rattling around? That doesn't sound good. Yeah, that does not sound a good noise. Right, okay. See if it's going to work. I'm using warm water. So far I've not seen anybody in these little videos using warm water for these things. So, yeah. Well, okay, now it's working. That's a lot of pressure. Woohoo! Right. Okay, that works. Homemade shampoo. Yeah, if you're washing your hair, the first time shampoo goes in, breaks down the grease, the second time is what actually cleans it. I'm basically just using, bloody hair's coming out, a pressure cooker, just like a saucepan for holding the water. I'm just got a lot of hair. So I might run out of water. Bollocks. Yeah, I'm running out of water. So the shower seems to work alright. Oh, cold water, cold water. They're running out of water. Yep, that's done. Yep. So, rechargeable shower works. Yeah. At some point I have to work out how to take off that mud that you clean the filter here. But, yeah, that is a good thing. So I'll leave it there to drain. But yeah, I've not had a shower in this house in 8 years. What's 7, 8 years I've been here. And there's no way to get a shower attachment for the taps. I'm not allowed to put a shower in the house, so yeah, that is a really nice thing. That is 20 quid well spent. Quickie video, I've just tried out the rechargeable shower and it works really, really well. So much of me having to worry about getting a shower in the house.